New Eye's electric pepper grinder and salt mill. Are you tired of struggling with those old manual pepper mills? The New Eye's electric pepper grinder salt mill solves that problem instantly. Just press a button. Imagine freshly ground spices effortlessly enhancing every meal. This grinder has a large 95 milliliter capacity, so you refill less often. Plus, it's rechargeable using Type-C. 1 hour gives you a month of use. You won't need disposable batteries anymore. It also has adjustable coarseness. Get your pepper exactly how you like it, from fine to coarse, every single time. The built-in LED light guides you, even in dim lighting. Grinding spices becomes simple, clean, and always consistent. It's Elevatus cooking with less effort. Non-stick pancakes maker machine. Struggling with pancake mornings? Uneven cooking? Messy flips? Sound familiar? This non-stick pancakes maker machine fixes that. Now you get perfectly shaped, fluffy pancakes every single time. Its non-stick surface makes flipping a breeze. Cleanup is just as easy. You can even adjust the browning to your liking, from light golden to rich caramel. Imagine weekend brunches becoming stress-free fun. Cook up to 14 mini pancakes, perfect for family feasts. This little machine brings joy back to breakfast. It makes delicious breakfasts easy and quick. Even the kids can help. Forget stressful mornings. Enjoy consistent, perfect pancakes with minimal effort. Silicone pastry baking mat dough. Is parchment paper ruining your baking? Tired of cookies sticking? The silicone pastry baking mat dough is your answer. It's a reusable, non-stick surface ensuring even baking every time. This mat's food-grade silicone handles -45 to 450 F. You'll love the non-slip base gripping your counter. Perfect for kneading dough or candy. No flour needed. Imagine easily rolling out pizza dough, cookies, or pastry without sticking. Cleanup's quick. This large 16 by 24-inch mat transforms any surface into your dream bakery. Baking becomes simpler, waste decreases, and you will get consistent, professional results. Starblue Mini Donuts Maker. Craving a quick, fun treat, but hate the mess of frying donuts? The Starblue Mini Donuts Maker is your answer. This compact gadget makes perfect mini donuts at home without the fuss. It's a 3-in-1. You can bake donuts, mini pies, or even taiyaki. Imagine baking 6 donuts in minutes with the donut plate, or creating cute mini pies for a party. Each plate is designed for even cooking, no more unevenly cooked treats. This dessert maker brings a creative twist to snack time. Now, picture serving warm mini donuts to your kids on a weekend morning, or surprising guests with unique desserts. It's easy, fun, and creates delightful moments. It makes snack time more fun. Lannon Liquid Silicone Gloves. Dealing with messy kitchen tasks? Constantly switching between oven mitts and regular gloves? The Lannon Liquid Silicone Gloves might be your answer. These are heat-resistant, waterproof, and surprisingly flexible. You can easily grab hot pans from the oven, wash dishes without getting soggy gloves, or even handle raw meat safely. The key is the liquid silicone. It's food-grade, durable, and provides a comfortable grip. Plus, the Coral Airliner keeps your hands cool, even during longer tasks. Imagine effortlessly moving from prepping food to baking, all with one pair of gloves. No more bulky oven mitts or worrying about spills. These gloves simplify kitchen work, making it safer and more efficient. Double TJP Magnetic Bottle Opener and Cap Catcher. Always searching for an opener? Caps everywhere after parties? The Double TJP Magnetic Bottle Opener solves that. This opener mounts to your fridge or wall, so it's always ready. The best part? It catches the caps. You open bottles one-handed, the cap sticks right on. No more bending over, no more mess. Imagine, you're hosting a barbecue. Opening drinks is simple, fast, and tidy. It holds up to 80 caps, so it lasts through the whole event. It's convenient for kitchens, bars, even garages. Users say it's space-saving and adds a fun touch. Basically, it simplifies opening bottles and keeps things clean. A win-win. It's a really practical tool. Hot Tech Kitchen Tongs. Ever burned yourself reaching across the grill? Or dropped food with flimsy tongs? I found a solution. Hot Tech Kitchen Tongs. These premium stainless steel tongs are a lifesaver. The silicone tips provide a secure grip so you can grab, flip, and serve without worry. They come in two sizes, 9 and 12 inches, perfect for any task. The locking mechanism makes storage a breeze. Just pull the ring and they lock for compact storage. Imagine effortlessly grilling burgers without fear of burns or dropping them. The Hot Tech tongs give you confident control. Durable and easy to handle, they're a reliable kitchen companion that makes cooking safer and easier. A real cooking upgrade. Digital kitchen timer. Juggling cooking times? Burning dinner happens. The digital kitchen timer ensures perfectly timed meals effortlessly. Big digits, loud alarm, you'll hear it across the house. No more guessing. You get precise countdowns with this sleek timer. It prevents overcooking. The magnetic back sticks to your fridge. The retractable stand sits on your counter. Place it anywhere. No more constant resetting. Memory setting remembers your last time. Simply press start. Now imagine perfectly baked cookies. No more burnt edges. Stress-free cooking. Control every dish. Enjoy better results. Perfectly timed meals every time. Peace of mind in the kitchen. Hamilton Beach Food Processor. Spending too much time prepping food? Chopping vegetables can be tedious. The Hamilton Beach Food Processor helps. The built-in bowl scraper saves you time. No stopping to scrape with a spatula. Just move the scraper while it runs or when it's off. This processor slices, shreds, chops, mixes, and purees with two handy attachments. The powerful 450-watt motor makes quick work of even tough ingredients. Imagine making healthy salads, salsa, or acai bowls faster and easier than ever. Transform complex prep into a simple task, giving you more time to enjoy your meals. It's a kitchen workhorse that elevates your cooking. Omaya 2-in-1 Dish Soap Dispenser with Sponge Holder. Ever feel like your sink is just a messy disaster zone? Soap bottles sliding everywhere? The Omaya dispenser solves that. It's a 2-in-1 soap dispenser with a built-in sponge holder. It declutters your sink area instantly. You get organized dishwashing, everything in one place. This holds 8.5 ounces of soap, so refills are infrequent. Plus, its leak-free design means no more sticky countertops. Imagine a tidy sink, no soap spills, a dry sponge. It dispenses the right amount of soap, cutting down on waste and saving you money. It's a small change that makes a big difference. Ditch the mess, simplify your dish routine. Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Cups and Spoon Set. Is your measuring set a jumbled mess? Finding the right size can be a real hassle. The Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Cups Spoon Set organizes your kitchen. The magnets keep cups and spoons neatly stacked, saving space. You'll always find the right size quickly. They're made of heavy-duty stainless steel, so they won't rust or bend. Dual-sided spoons and cups make measuring liquids easy. Imagine prepping ingredients effortlessly. No more fumbling or cluttered drawers. It simplifies baking and cooking. Measuring becomes stress-free. Enjoy easy storage and quick access. This set makes accurate measurements simple and fast. KT Gary Mini Electric Food Chopper. Chopping garlic and onions always takes too long, right? The KT Gary Mini Electric Food Chopper solves that. It's USB rechargeable and portable, so you can take it anywhere. Just toss in your ingredients, press the button, and boom, evenly chopped food in seconds. This little gadget saves you so much time and effort, especially when you're making smaller recipes. Imagine quickly prepping ingredients for dinner after a long day without all the tedious chopping. Get perfectly minced garlic for pasta or finely chopped onions for salsa, all in moments. It truly simplifies cooking and makes meal prep a breeze, giving you more free time. Basic House Silicone Stretch Lids. Reusable. Always hunting for the right lid? Leftovers drying out? These Basic House silicone stretch lids are the answer. These reusable lids create an airtight seal on bowls, cups, even cut fruit. You'll keep food fresh much longer. Say goodbye to wasteful plastic wrap. Plus, the 7 sizes ensure you'll always find a fit. Imagine perfectly sealed containers neatly stacked in your fridge. No more searching, no more waste. These lids are durable, dishwasher safe, and stackable. They'll save space and keep your food fresher longer. Simplify your kitchen, reduce waste, and enjoy fresh food every time. Gourmet Easy Stainless Steel Fish Turner and Spatula. Ever broken fish trying to flip it? The Gourmet Easy Stainless Steel Fish Turner solves that. This set has 2 spatulas. The large turner's ultra-thin edge slides easily under delicate foods. You get perfect flips without tearing. Pancakes and eggs are no problem either. The handle's ergonomic, offering a good grip even with wet hands. This spatula gives you more control. Crafted from one piece of stainless steel, it's super durable. You won't worry about rust or bending. Enjoy cooking fish, eggs, and more. It makes cooking easier, and the results are better. Finally, effortless cooking. Chardor Adjustable Coffee Grinder Electric. Starting the day with dull coffee? The Chardor Coffee Grinder Silver solves that. Freshly ground beans make a world of difference. This electric grinder lets you customize your coffee's coarseness. Simply load your beans, select your setting, and get aromatic, fresh grounds every morning. A key benefit is that it unlocks the full flavor, elevating your brew. You get cafe-quality coffee right at home. Imagine starting each day with the perfect cup, tailored to your taste. It's your favorite morning gadget, guaranteeing a richer, smoother coffee experience. This grinder transforms your routine. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Are you tired of overcooked or undercooked eggs? The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is here to solve that. Now you can enjoy perfectly cooked eggs every time, without the guesswork. It cooks up to 6 eggs at once, whether you like them soft, medium, or hard-boiled. Plus, it saves time and water compared to boiling eggs on the stove. You can even make poached eggs, scrambled eggs, or individual omelets with it. Cleaning is a snap. Imagine quickly prepping a week's worth of healthy breakfasts. This compact gadget simplifies your mornings and elevates your meals. Its foolproof design makes perfect eggs effortless. Angadona Silicone Baking Mats Set of 2. Are you tired of cookies sticking and ruining your baking sheets? The Angadona Silicone Baking Mats solves that. No more scraping burnt sugar. These mats create a non-stick surface, so food slides right off. You won't need parchment paper again, saving you money and reducing waste. Imagine how much easier cleanup will be. Just a quick rinse or toss them in the dishwasher. They're oven-safe, durable, and designed for even heating. Forget messy pans and wasted time. The Angadona mats mean healthier baking, effortless cleaning, and years of happy baking ahead. Enjoy perfect cookies every time. Portable Induction Cooktop. Stuck with limited cooking space? This portable induction cooktop is the answer. Perfect for dorms, small apartments, or even camping. It heats up incredibly fast. You get precise temperature control with the LCD touchscreen, making cooking easier. Choose from 10 temperature levels, from simmering to searing. It's powerful with 1,800 watts. Now you can cook efficiently, no bulky stove needed. Imagine quick weeknight dinners anywhere. This cooktop makes any spot a functional kitchen. Energy-efficient cooking awaits. It's a smart, space-saving solution. Utensil Automatic Pan Stirrer. Ever burned dinner because you forgot to stir? The Utensil Stirrer solves that. This automatic pan stirrer clips right onto your pot, keeping everything moving for even cooking. You get hands-free stirring with 3 speeds, so you don't need to stand there. The nylon legs are heat-resistant and safe for non-stick pans. Just pop in 4 AA batteries, push the button, and it starts stirring. Imagine perfectly cooked sauces and soups, no more sticking. The Utensil Stir gives you a helping hand in the kitchen, freeing you up for other tasks. Now you can relax while your food cooks itself. Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer Ever. Ever overcooked a pricey steak? The ThermoMaven Smart Thermometer ends that stress. No more hovering. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth, letting you monitor temps remotely. Real-time alerts mean perfectly cooked meat every time. Its display base gives instant readings, even without the app. The Sub 1G tech boasts impressive range. Track your cook from up to 3,000 feet away.
Imagine grilling at your next party, relaxing with guests, knowing your roast is monitored. Get perfect results, avoid overcooking, and enjoy the ease of truly wireless monitoring. Roxy-Pang Multifunction Kitchen Scissors. Struggling with tough kitchen tasks? Chicken bones, herbs? Prep work's a hassle. The Roxy-Pang Multifunction Kitchen Scissors are here. They're heavy-duty, made for anything. You get multiple blades, doing the job of several tools. Save drawer space instantly. The detachable design makes cleaning easy. No more food stuck in corners. Plus, it has a built-in bottle opener. Imagine, prep work is faster, safer, and less cluttered. From chicken to veggies, it handles it all, leaving you with more time to enjoy cooking. This kitchen workhorse simplifies everything. Gista adjustable rolling pin with thickness rings. Are your cookies never quite the same thickness? Introducing the Gista adjustable rolling pin. This rolling pin changes everything. It has removable rings that let you set precise dough thickness. You'll get perfectly uniform cookies and pie crusts every time. No more uneven baking disasters. The built-in measurement guide gives you extra help. Made from water-resistant teak, it glides smoothly. The unique handle press design makes it durable. Imagine consistently perfect results, effortless baking, and flawless pastry. It's a must for any baker. Noalto reusable K-cups and coffee pods. Spending too much on single-use coffee pods? Tired of the waste? The Noalto reusable K-cups are the answer. They're durable and easy to fill, working with most Keurig machines. These stainless steel K-cups are compatible with Keurig 1.0 and 2.0 models. You save money and help the environment. It's simple to clean and refill, so you can enjoy your favorite coffee your way, without the guilt of single-use plastic. Many love customizing their brew. The Noalto pods let you enjoy a better cup, saving money and reducing waste. ThermoPro Digital Instant Read Thermometer. Ever ruin a steak because you couldn't tell the inside temp? The ThermoPro thermometer solves that. Instantly see if your meat is cooked perfectly. No more guessing. Just press the button, insert the probe, and bam, accurate temp in seconds. You avoid dry, overcooked chicken or worse, undercooked food. With its big, backlit display, you can read the temp easily, indoors or grilling at night. Now you'll cook like a pro. Every meal is safe and delicious, taking the stress out of dinner. You'll have perfectly cooked meals. Larn Magnetic Knife Holder. Knives cluttering your counters? The Larn Magnetic Knife Holder solves that. It's a sleek, 16-inch bamboo strip that mounts on your wall, safely displaying your knives. It's not just for knives either. Think utensils and tools. You get a powerful magnetic grip, tested to hold knives securely but still easy to remove. It also holds more, arranged how you want. Imagine, no more digging in drawers. Installation's quick with the included kit. See, it transforms your kitchen into an organized, efficient space. Larn's holder keeps knives sharp, accessible, and your cooking safer. Silicone dough scraper, dough sticking to everything? Scraping bowls a pain? This is the Sapid Silicone Dough Scraper Set. 2 scrapers to solve those sticky problems. What makes these better? They've got stainless steel inside, so they're strong but flexible. You get both curved and straight edges. The curved edge fits perfectly in bowls for easy cleaning. The straight edge cuts and portions dough cleanly. No more flimsy plastic scrapers that bend. No more scratching your nonstick bowls. Use these for bread, cookies, anything. Baking cleanup is now simple. King Eagle Adjustable Meat Tenderizer. Is tough meat ruining dinner? The King Eagle Tenderizer could be the solution. It easily attaches to KitchenAid mixers, turning it into a powerful tool. You get restaurant-quality results at home. It has 3 thickness settings, so you can customize the texture. This means you can adjust the meat to your liking. Imagine serving perfectly tender steaks, chicken, or pork every time. No more chewy, disappointing meals. This tenderizer makes food prep easier, flavor better, and turns your kitchen into a steakhouse.